Hi friends, this is Rekha Vinod. Welcome back to Rekha's cookbook. Today I'm going to show you the recipe of milk powder. Yes, you heard it right. It's milk powder. When you have lots of milk which is going to expire soon, you can make milk powder and can be stored up to 3 months. For this I have taken 1 liter whole milk which was available to me. You can use any types of milk like non-fat milk, low-fat milk or reduced fat milk. Milk powder can be made with or without sugar. Heat a heavy bottom pan on medium to high flame and allow it to boil. Once the milk comes to boil, keep stirring it to avoid sticking it to the pan. Try not to burn the milk in the bottom as it changes the taste and texture of the milk powder. Keep mixing the cream which is formed on top of the milk. Milk powder is easily available in the market, but this video is to show that even milk powder can be prepared at home. Now you can notice that the milk started to thicken. Keep cooking it until the milk solidifies completely. As it becomes thicker, it may splatter. Be careful not to burn your hands. Now it is almost done. It is the time to switch off the stove. You can notice that the bottom of the pan is clear. That means the milk has perfectly cooked without burning. And this is the consistency of the solid milk. The water is not dripping anymore. Let's transfer it to a steel or aluminium plate. I have scraped the sides of the pan to remove any dry milk and adding it to the plate. Spread it evenly so that it can dry quickly. Allow it to cool down. Once it cools down completely, dry it in sun. I have kept it in sunshine and making use of my summer. For every half an hour I am mixing and spreading it again so that it can dry quickly. Totally it took me around 3 hours to dry the solid milk completely. After 3 hours of drying in sunshine, this is how it looks, almost like a milk powder. It may take more or less time for you to dry this. Make sure your dry milk is free from moisture. The milk is completely dry that you can hear it. Now add it to a mixie jar or blender and blend into a fine powder. Like this. Now adding 1/4 cup sugar and blending it again. The best homemade milk powder is ready. Let's measure the milk powder. I'm just stirring the weight of the bowl and then adding milk powder. It is 175 grams, that is 6 ounces of milk powder with sugar from 1 liter milk. Try to use clean hands while making milk powder. This can be stored in an airtight container or Ziploc cover up to 3 months in refrigerator. Milk powder can be used for making cakes, ice creams, sweets.